Aloha, Team Civro. My name is Jason, Project Manager here on Oahu, Hawaii. When selecting the doors and windows for our special project here in Hawaii, careful consideration was taken to ensure we found products that would meet our high standards of quality, performance, and functionality. I'm pleased to say that your doors and windows allowed us to maximize the wonderful views of our large openings with a beautiful finish, fine craftsmanship, and sleek and modern frame. The finished product is more beautiful than I had imagined and helped us realize our vision for this project. The professional support and service you have provided my team with during installation has been exceptional. We look forward to utilizing your products on many future projects to help us turn our architectural vision into a beautiful reality. Thank you again for your wonderful products and support. Civro.